Hey there. Curious about a natural alternative to Zepbound for weight loss? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we're looking at what's being called the natural Zepbound recipe. Is it real? Is it safe? Could it actually work? Let's get into it. First off, quick refresher. Zepbound is a prescription weight loss injection that mimics a hormone called GLP-1. It helps with appetite control, blood sugar regulation, and fat loss. But it's not for everyone. It's expensive and it comes with side effects. That's where the buzz around a natural alternative comes in. Now, there's no official natural Zepbound formula, but online trends in 2025 are pointing to a combo that includes apple cider vinegar, berberine, which is a natural plant compound set to mimic insulin sensitivity effects, green tea extract, and glucomannan, a fiber that expands in your stomach, and sometimes chromium for blood sugar balance. Together, these ingredients aim to suppress appetite, balance blood sugar, boost fat metabolism, kind of like Zepbound, but naturally. Now, here's the honest truth. Some of these ingredients have real science behind them, especially berberine and glucomannan, but it's not a magic pill. These supplements support weight loss best when paired with a good diet, movement, and consistency. And unlike Zepbound, the effects are actually milder and slower. Still, if you're looking for a more affordable or natural path without jumping into prescriptions, this combo might be worth a try. Whether your doctor's okay, of course. Just a quick heads up, natural doesn't always mean safe for everyone. Some of these ingredients can interact with medications, especially for diabetes or blood sugar. So don't skip the health check before starting. To wrap it up, natural Zepbound recipe isn't an overnight miracle. It could be gentler, more accessible option for those looking to support their weight loss naturally in 2025. If you've tried it or have questions, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And you don't forget to like, subscribe, and for more straight to the point wellness videos, follow us for more. See you next time.